You can see that this channel have only 27 video and see the subscriber and the views. This video is created 2 years ago and got over 29 million views. And you can see list. I can play the video and you can listen it. This channel doesn't have anything like any interesting. See the views 29 views, 29 million views, 10 million views, 3.7 million views, and see the number of videos and see the subscriber. And this channel making crazy amount of money. And this is the end the channel, and that have 189 video but only 88k subscribers, and they are also getting millions of views. You can see that. Let's see the channel when this channel was created. Go to videos and I can show you created this, and let's go to the worldest and see this channel just was created 3 years ago, and between 3 to 2 years ago, that was the time, but getting millions of views and making tons of money. So you can also do that. See also here, this channel was created around 2 or 3 years ago, getting crazy amount of see this channel only making around 2 years ago and getting tons of views and fame. This is the cozy room. This channel only have, see the music. You have listened the music. Let's see the videos. The number of videos that was created 75, and the oldest videos, see the latest video views. This app getting crazy amount of views, but it getting, see the oldest videos. And this channel was created 1 year ago. I can show you that this channel was created 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and 1 year ago, but they are getting most popular. So you can also do that. So I can make your video. How can you make this type of video for yourself? So we need to use some type of resources. So I provide everything. So use ChatGPT, and this is the prompt that I use. The weather is now ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste it here. Simply paste this prompt, and the weather is summer. And here ChatGPT, give me a video prompt, a cozy room, and this is the prompt for Hawaii. We use AI to create a video. So this is the website that I use to generate a music, this generate a video for just like this channel. We can see that how this channel have only video is playing in the background. I think this channel have only 5-second video, 6 second that is repeated in the whole channel, whole video, and they're doing same thing. I think I need to play it. You can see I got a prompt. I simply paste this prompt in the output, so you get an idea. And now let's visit our website Hawaii.ai. So generating our music, generating our video. So this is the website that you use to generate our video. For that, let's go here, and we need to sign up with our Google account. So So now the website is loading. We need to wait it. Just wait it. You can do this work on your mobile phone also. I think it take a time. Let's open hawaii.ai.com, and now it is generating. Now it is opening. We simply paste our prompt and generating our videos. And the second website that is used called Suno AI for generating music for this, and this is the DaVinci Resolve for video editing for your PC. This is Fury. I think it is still opening. I don't know why it can take all this much time. Let's guide you. So click on the Suno website and click on the sign up, and we simply need to create our account on this platform. So we need to just type an idea to have a song. So let's get an account. On the free plan we can generate 10 songs per day. Something you can see that. Let's continue with sign up with Google. Now it is opening now. Welcome, please fill the and this is the follow-up prompt for generating a music, and simply go to that same ChatGPT where you chat and simply paste this. Now you get a prompt. This is the music prompt, you can see, and let's make a video and just copy this much only. Go to Gumroad. I will edit this, and I simply paste as output so you can get an ideas. I simply publish. You can see that here is the resources. Copy URL and simply you can see that this is the URL. You can simply get every resources from here. I think it is still opening. Let's continue with. Click on verify. We need to verify this captcha, so we simply fill this captcha. So let's wait a couple of seconds. When it is loading, when it's continuing. Okay, we still need to patent it. You can achieve this part if you get bored anything like see the channel and the views and everything. You can also clone this Lexica. This is the most popular video of this. Just copy this and paste it as here. Go to ChatGPT and paste it as here, so it can also. The weather is summer, and you can the weather. You can simply paste that title and ChatGPT give you this prompt. This is the Chinese website. Okay, this is the exit hawaii.ai.video. I think I need to edit that. and we simply need to signing in. So creating a video on this platform, click on this. So let's create an account. Let's copy our prompt and paste it here. Simply copy it and go to Hawaii dot video. Simply paste it, click on create a video, choose any account, click on confirm. Now it is creating a video for us. You can see people are creating crazy amount of videos. Click on got it. Welcome to get go to video model. I think we create a video on this platform, so I can guide you everything, so you can't get any problem on, you can't get any issues. I think it is. I also need to fill this captcha again on this website. The captcha is so boring part. Again we need to verify this captcha on Suno. So I verify captcha on Suno also. I don't know what is the error. Go to content, I simply change resources also, like click on save changes, so you can't get any error. Let's paste our song. Just refresh it. Click on enter. Now we simply need to paste our prompt. Go to ChatGPT, copy our prompt. We simply copy like the Koji stylish log just from this is this channel that I copy. Go back here, paste it, click on create a video, and there are also called one not go to mine and see our video. Here you can see our video is generating. Here is the one video that is gone to here. How much time it take to create? So our video is created. We simply need to fill this captcha, but it is not working. This captcha is by Cloudflare, and not working. You can see it can't doing anything, just loading and don't doing anything. Let's create account on Suno AI. Go to continue. When your account is created, it got a watermark. Simply zoom in the video in your video editor. The watermark will remove. Let's continue. I think this is not working me. The captcha is not. When you got a captcha, simply paste the YouTube prompt and export that. Download your video and merge it and make a video and upload in YouTube. I can't move to the next step. Captcha is not working my device. Okay, bye.